How to load your washing machine. Check the drum for any objects such as hair clips or safety pins. Close zippers and buttons. Place delicates such as bras and pantyhose into the Electrolux Delicates wash bag. Wash clothes that easily shed lint and clothes that easily collect lint separately. Wash colored items and whites separately as well. Be sure to wash newly bought clothes separately at first to ensure the colors don't run. Now that you're ready, select which program you'd like to use. The detergent drawer is split into 3 compartments. The pre-wash compartment is used for pre-wash programs. The main wash compartment is used for all programs. The softener compartment is used for fabric softeners. Your machine can use either liquid or powdered drawer. Now all you gotta do is make sure the boys stay out of the mud.